Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off parental controls on Android, step by step, in a simple and easy guide. Parental controls are useful for managing app downloads and content restrictions, especially for children. However, if you're using your own device or no longer need these restrictions, you can turn them off anytime through the Google Play Store. Go to the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. This is the app where you download, install, and update all your applications. Now tap on your Google profile icon. After tapping the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access Play Store configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Family option, then tap on it to continue. Next, you will see Parental Controls. Tap on this option to open the Parental Control settings. If parental controls are currently enabled, you will be asked to enter your content PIN. This PIN was created when parental controls were first set up. After entering the correct PIN, tap OK. Now, simply toggle the switch to turn off parental controls. Once disabled, all app downloads, updates, and content restrictions will be removed from the Play Store. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and helpful Android tutorials.